The engagement for the UC Centre of Excellence can start in a few different ways. The first way would be as simple as we give you some test accounts. You can test the environment in your office. You don't need to come to us, you don't need to do anything. Just ring us, right? We'll have a chat with you about how it will fit in and what it will do. The next step will then be to start to look at your specific environment, your network, your wireless, your wide area network. What do we need to do to actually test for you to make sure that when you deploy, this thing's going to work absolutely correctly? One of the things we do with a lot of customers is bandwidth on LANs is not much of an issue, but bandwidth on a wide area, those connections between Melbourne and Sydney and Brisbane and Perth, they're constrained. So we have a network readiness assessment that will allow us to know how your network will perform and behave in your real world environment. Then we take that back and we load it onto our simulators in the Centre of Excellence so we can replicate the way your wide area network behaves so that when we're testing, it'll be testing in a very real world environment. So the UC Centre of Excellence is the single point of truth for knowledge around unified communications. If you want to understand how any two components are going to work with each other, come to us, come to Generation E, and the UC Centre of Excellence will be able to test that and test the interoperability and give you an assurance around the pros and cons of how it will work in your environment.